Hey, what's up, AMC stockholders? In this video, I'm talking about the urgent news of the AMC stock. My friends, never miss this video and keep watch this video till the end because this video is going to be very important, very urgent for all AMC holders, my friends. Let's see, my friends, the latest updates, latest price prediction of the AMC. But before starting this interesting video, please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. My friends, let's see the latest update. My friends, the AMC stock price is on a roller coaster recently. The market price action is not for the weak ones, with volatility reaching extreme levels. Absolutely, my friends, the extreme level is gonna wrong. My friends, at this time the AMC stock is going fast down. From the chart, you can see here from the chart there's clear understand the next move of AMC stock. My friends, from the previous last weeks, the price of the AMC stock is going down. But now, at this time, after 2 days, my friends, there is a lot of chances to the price pump and the price increase of the AMC stock. But now, this time, some of people decide to sell. So, that is the big mistake, my friends. Now, the pump of the AMC are coming soon. So, don't decide to sell, my friends. It's time to move upward. It's time to go for the moon, my friends. The AMC stock starts jumping at this time, so I recommend for everyone to it's time to hold, not to sell, my friends. And my friends, please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos and AMC technical analysis. My personal research tells us that the AMC pump are coming soon, my friends. Tomorrow, you know what, the previous time the chain is open and the AMC stock is completely going the wrong. You can see here the AMC stock price prediction $14 Putel for future price action, my friends. 14 USD dollar is the next target for AMC target. My friends, I believe that AMC stock will take a huge pump, my friends. What do you think about that? Tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.